Okay, so my stepdad's coming over tomorrow morning to to install my video doorbell outside, and I'm just now gonna set it up so when he arrives tomorrow all he has to do is fix it on there for me. So it comes in this rather weird kind of box with these flaps that you have to open and they kind of overlap each other. It's uh it's a bit unnecessary and a bit complicated, but nevertheless, uh, boxes aren't boxes like they used to be. So in the box we have the actual doorbell itself. We have the mounting plate underneath it that goes onto the wall, and here we have to supply you with all the correct drill bits and unique screw holes. So, and also there's a little flimsy instruction booklet with it. So this is the actual doorbell. It's got the camera up here, and here's the bell bit and the speakers, and it's all pretty. That's how it is. You know, when you press the buzzer, it lights up and plays a little chime. And then on the back of it, it has this little orange button, which is to sync up to your phone, and a micro USB charge. Now I unwrapped this last night and I put it on charge, and it had around about a 14-hour charge on it. According to the instructions, this doorbell is actually a dual-powered doorbell. If you already have a doorbell in place, you can use the existing power connections to power this, or it can run off the USB battery. I don't have a doorbell, so I have to use the battery, but they claim in the instructions that the battery will last up to 12 months on one charge. So I'm assuming that either this consumes very, very little power, or it shut itself off and then it only turns on when it detects motion or when the button's pressed. But I'm not sure how it works technically. Again, according to the instructions, it should take only a few minutes to set this up with my phone. So I have my phone here. So let's see how easy this is. And almost straight away, I have a notification on my phone, and so if I just open it, someone's at your front door. Oh, I've got to put my password in. Okay, so it's given me. You probably can't see it very well on the screen, but it's given me a live video from this camera. So wherever I put this camera to, it show up on there. I can also press these this green button and this red button down below, and I would then have a two-way intercom call with them. So as far as I'm going, it works. Tomorrow I shall have the doorbell put on my front door, and then I'll do another quick video tomorrow to demonstrate it a little bit further when I've got it all completely set up. So I'll catch you tomorrow.